I think that most of the men in this generation, especially in my own generation, because they are way older than me, so in my own generation, they do not like the fact that women are now very outspoken. Most of them. They hate it that women are now outspoken.
And they are over-pampered, they are lazy. That is it. So they just want an housemaid. Ask them to describe their wife. I want a woman that before I wake up from bed, she has laid the bed. She's still on the bed. She has laid the bed.
They are looking for a robot.
She has put my this thing on. She has done this. The food, the aroma of the soup is even what will wake me up from the bed. I beg. Why can't you wake up? Imagine yourself to doing those.
The only advice I have, women, please, just we are tired of training the girls. We are tired of training the girls. Are well trained. Train your boys. Train your boys. And not carry food chopping destiny. I beg. Train your boys.
It's a skill. Learning how to cooking is a skill. It's not just for a gender.
That's why some of them don't have futures.
It's a life skill.
No, that's why some
just
of
like
these
knowing
men
how
no
to
longer
bake.
have futures.
Benny.
Because they've eaten their tomorrow.
And it's the truth.
No, see, before a woman will start talking about putting something in your food, that means the woman has seen something
of
wrong
course
about
now.
your eating habits.
Of course now.
What is wrong in a man knowing how to
Then
cook?
are you all about
God
food?
bless my husband.
Are you all
We don't
about
stay
food?
together. When I'm traveling, when I'm coming over, initially he doesn't know it as something that is wrong, that I should cook. At least when I come back, first thing to let me to meet. Since whenever you are coming down to me, you always come back with to meet food. What he does is, when he comes to pick me at the park, he drives straight to a restaurant, we eat. Not to market, we drive straight to the restaurant, we eat. Then when we now get home, I'll be like, okay, Kilimanjaro, run. That is when we now remember he does not have soup and everything. But nowadays, after some time, now he has changed, he has stopped doing it. Now, even if he's not going to cook the whole thing, like maybe just boil it and everything, you have everything set.
That's thoughtful. That's very thoughtful.
He likes cooking if he's in the mood. But he just and I like one thing about him. He will just put you in his position, like, okay, if I can,
that is what counts. That is what
like if I can get tired at times, that means this girl can get tired. So it doesn't make issues about you want to cook or anything. Sometimes when I'm even around for weeks, and I'll be like, I don't even feel like cooking today. Should I come and meet you at work so that we'll go to Yafe's place? And said, okay, no problem. We go and finish.
Does it remove your
I taught him how to start drinking custard.
No.
I taught him how to start taking custard. Or rather, I told him, sorry, that come, if after eating in the evening, you feel like, okay, you still want to eat something, I might not be in the mood to start putting things together. Custard is very easy. Just put hot water, stir it, drink it, and that's all. Bros started living his life like that. See, when you get to a point in your life, you have to be able to pick your struggle. There's some things that are not worth it.
God.
If you start overworking yourself because you want to make some guy feel okay, you ended up dying, and that side chick that you want to use, she will come and take the place.
She will be at your burial.
And you know the funniest part, that cook that you want to kill, that food you want to kill yourself on, she will order for it and bring it to your husband, and we eat it, and we still tell her thank you.
We thank her.
You say, I love you. I beg, come to package yourself now after you drain your energy in the kitchen. You have to have some strength left in you to be able to like look good. It's not all about food. Okay, after cooking, you are smelling onion, you are smelling you are smelling. You think the man will come?
Oh, you are wasted.
Forget though, madam. My wife is a good cook, but I think I like to stay outside some more. Some of them like that.
It's very SPK.
Man,
it's very SPK.
Don't kill yourself.
That is it.
Don't kill yourself. Do what is right. And you yourself at times be selfish.
Okay, let me tell you something interesting. I know someone. He's a friend to my husband. He has two little daughters. He says he's finicky. He's very finicky. There's no way you can clean the house that it will be clean. So he does the house chores. No, he does the house chores. He cooks
no
the stew.
complaints.
He cook and portion into the freezer. Because if she cooks it, he knows how to cook well. If she cooks it, he will not be satisfied. But let me tell you, this is somebody that, I'm not talking to all those men that don't have not tata for yanya for their account, and then they make noise pass. Now we don't talk. This is somebody that is a multi-trillionaire in pound sterling. Not be naira, one at the brandy shop and down. And he's not threatened.
And the thing is,
you saw this papa men
very
and them.
Poor men
that was what
in mentality, in everything.
You know that he's all these
very
poor
poor.
people.
Yeah.
They are the ones now.
most lousy and noisy.
Very.
They are the ones complaining of
Everything.
And ask them to bring money.
Oh.
Shebi, I gave you one yesterday.
Let them go and meet
Nah,
side
them.
chicks. Side
You know,
chick will go cook
you know,
them well.
there's the guy that posted that thing on Twitter. One babe now responded, very very beautiful response, when he said that the women of nowadays now order food that they don't go to the kitchen again. The girl now responded that the men of nowadays don't wash their cars again. They now go to car wash.
Exactly. Finish.
So what is the difference?
Exactly.
No, but it's the truth. It's the truth.
Is it the men they don't wash their cars? They go to car wash. So what is the difference?
Why
The
did
thing
they go
is,
to the
what
car wash
to
today?
do?
After washing, they'll be eating.
It's the
What's
truth
that?
now.
So yeah,
Then the truth is, see, if you look at this thing well, one day I sat down, I asked my husband, I said, see, have you ever sat to think about it, that why do children, when they grow up, it's their mothers they take care of, and they are claiming that they are doing hustling, paying school fees, they don't see all those things they are seeing, but they connect emotionally. But they connect emotionally. Where you are there, bathing the child, they see you tired, and you're still doing all the house chores and everything. They are connecting.
Yeah.
That connection, you cannot. If you, let them
buy
go,
it.
you can never buy it.
You can't
The
buy
day I told
it.
my husband that thing, my guy just did total flip on me. My children are so close to him now that when I'm traveling, mommy travel, so that I said, me that travel, we come back in peace. Don't be too happy.
So guys, you just need to know what you want. You need to know what you want to do. A man that's going to stay is going to stay with you. A man will love you with your flaws, with or without your flaws, is going to love you. I remember that I listened to him. There was this old, I think was it Abiara, he was at a conference, and he said when he married his wife could not do anything. Like she could not do one house chores.
Use the mic. You can't hear.
She could not do a thing because she grew up with maids.
Oh.
She grew up with he grew up as a hustler,
Ah.
but she grew up with maids. He said so when they got married, every Saturday they were having kitchen classes.
Oh,
He was teaching her how to wash. He taught her how to cook.
Thank
He
you.
said cooking wasn't a thing. That he later discovered that cooking wasn't a thing, but he took over the kitchen on Saturdays when he's not in church. So we take over the kitchen. He taught her to cook. All the things his wife can do now, he taught her when they got married.
God bless
He
you.
did not say because she could not do it, started going
Stand
outside
or
to go and meet a
picking
woman that
issues
could
and
do it,
everything.
or
Thank you.
picking issues. He said that the reason why you are together is for the both of you to rub off on each other. So what
Thank
are
you.
we talking about? This
Thank
thing
you.
is not an issue. Pastor
Thank you.
Abiara is over 80-something years old, so don't tell me that Kini. I don't understand.
No, it's the truth. It's the truth.
Why shall he then profit a man? If he married a good cook but has no
Piece
of
of
mind,
oh.
what do you use in exchange
Use
for
the
your
mic.
peace of mind? I think the major thing, sincerely speaking, is knowing what you really want. It's all about food.
That's
If she can't cook, you go and be a cook. At least if she can't do this, you can do it. Complement each other. The Bible said, help meets. Help.
me.
You can make money, she can cook. She can make money, you can cook. At least let something be there. Why do you expect her to be the only one to bring
shall
everything on the
everything.
table?
Two shall become one.
And you want to be bro? Excuse
Kò
me.
lè tó yẹn. Sis,
Let's
yeah,
be
you're
fair.
fine, you're fine.
Life would just be easier if we didn't if you loved your partner as yourself. Life would just be easier. That's the truth, because what will work for your friend will not work for you, and your friend is not married to your wife. You are married to your wife. And the same thing as for me, it's the same thing for women too. Somebody's husband buys this for her all the time, buys that for her all the time. That is her husband. Then go and marry her husband and leave your husband, let him have peace of mind. Do you understand? The way you expect your husband to help you in some ways too. If there's a way you can provide some buffers for him, to provide it. I mean, life is sweeter when the two candles are shining brightly and not disturbing each other. So please, life can be good. Think well.
If you want me to have a polished nail, as in my nails always long, like curls, then you shouldn't expect me to be in the kitchen. That kitchen, I won't be able to maintain my
Finish.
So
See, you
pick
can
your
see the
strength.
difference. See, guys, the difference is clear. Look at their nails. Look at mine. So the difference is clear. The difference, they walk like they are. For us now, I'm still flying. I'm still in town.
Yes,
They are
no.
still in town, but me, I'm still in the town, inside of the town. I'm still in the inside.
Don't mind that, she's taking. I think you need to now start. What is it? She's taking your laptop.
She's
Tell
spoken
them.
for.
She's taking. All those brothers coming to subscribe because of that, please do.
But it's not finally taking.
It's not fine.
Who not they, no they. Who know they were, no they.
He did well.
They were. They were. They go. Yo, come on.
Guys, I even think that I'm going to have they are very busy women, but I will try to see how I can get them. We're going to do a special edition called the Wedding Band or Marriage Band, where we have to talk to young people, young unmarried couple, or even if you are married, things that we need to talk about, because I realize that a lot of people prepare so much for the wedding that they do not prepare for the marriage. So I'm going to bring them and would try to have how we can do that special edition. It's going to be a series because we can't do everything in one episode. So please do remember to subscribe to my channel, to share, to like, and to also follow them on all their social media platforms, because they will be on the screen. You would have a lot of things to learn from them on their social media platforms. Guys, my name is Onozasi. Till I come your way again, don't forget to subscribe, Ejo, please. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe.